All right, been waiting on this. This is from mufflerexpress.com, based out of Canada. Doing exhaust on the XJ here. Had to do all the way back from the manifold back. Called up there, sent them, talked to them via email, told them what my applications were. They found the fit and finish. It's going to work perfect for this. So we've been excited to get it. So we're going to unwrap it and see what we got. All right, so that is our catalytic converter. It's got the bung in it for where we can put the O2 sensor. Should be a direct fit, wrapped up extremely nice. Looks really good. All right, let's set that in there for a second. All right, let's see what else we got in here. That's probably pretty heavy. This is their oval center inlet offset output muffler. It's an oval. Again, packaged up super nice. We'll take them apart here in a little bit, see how good they look. Excited to hear the sound out of this thing. From what I've heard, sounds really, really good. All right, this is the turn down tailpipe that I'm looking to do. I'm not going to run the exhaust the full length of the rear. I'm going to turn it down after the muffler. So pretty excited about that. All right, what else is in there? All right, what we got in here? Oh, sweet. These are the clamps to put it all together. Extremely nice. Go ahead. So when I talked to them on the phone via email, told them this is a project we're doing with the kids. So it looks like they sent a little bit of swag, which is awesome. Nice t-shirt. Mouse pad. Go ahead and open it up, see what it looks like. Nice. There you go right there. Muffler Express, www.mufflerexpress.com. Highly recommend, just based on the customer service alone, let alone the quality this stuff appears to be and the way it's packaged. Check that out. Go ahead, open it. You can put it on. All right, little man's happy as can be now. Greatly appreciate all the swag. Kids love it. It's a great project. We'll get started on some of this stuff, keep you informed through the process, and we'll go from there. All right, so my apologies for this because I know lighting's poor because it's dark right now, but man, camera does not do justice for the quality of these things. This whole set is 409 stainless all the way through. Welds are good and solid. Heat shield, absolutely amazing. Can't wait to get these on. Start that process tomorrow, and then show you the process, what the end results are, along with how good it sounds. All right, so as you can see, my cat's had better days and has failed. So I went ahead and took the rear off. First thing I'm going to do is take my O2 sensor out, and then disconnect the horseshoe clamp, take that off, and then lay out the way the new one's going to go. Okay, got the exhaust put on. Cut a little bit off of the turn down pipe to shorten it, and then just a hair off of the back of the cat to make sure I could fit it in the area I want. Dismiss all the dirt and debris under the Jeep. That's what happens when you're restoring something. No, all these parts were not used for the exhaust. I'm doing upper and lower adjustable control arms at the same time. But what I'm going to say now is start it up here. right at the exhaust manifold tube. Got 2.5 inch, which this originally came out with 2.25 inch. But after talking to Muffler Express, said I had plenty of back pressure and would also give me a little bit of horsepower possibly. The only thing I can say about this thing, in a negative way at all, it is way too nice to be underneath this Jeep. I mean, it's actually like looking at a mirror. These clips, best clips I've used. Phenomenal. Everything fit perfect. The only thing that I did do was I reversed the muffler. It was set up with the inlet in the center with an offset outlet. I reversed it. Don't think it's an issue. Looks like the baffles are the same, so it shouldn't matter. I just did that so I could have more clearance close to my drive shaft. Running it the other way put me a little bit closer to my drive shaft than what I wanted. Catalytic converters in. Ran them straight together. So catalytic, muffler, then my turnpipe, which I'll show you down there. Clips are phenomenal. It's not going anywhere. O2 sensor back in perfect in the bung. Heat shield on top. Came all the way back. Went ahead and put my turn down here. Like I said, shortened it some. Got a temporary hanger on it now. But all in all, absolutely phenomenal. I'll go back with them with any exhaust that I have moving forward. So we'll start it up and see if it does justice to what it actually sounds like. Alright, not sure if the sound on here does justice at all, but if you look, no check engine light, which means no issues with the cat, no issues with the O2 sensor going back in. Let's see if you can hear a sound. Freaking love it. Okay, it's dirty right now, so don't judge me on that. See if I can get back. So I don't know if you see it up in there, tucked up nice and neat. I'm going to put some rock sliders on the side of it, so it'll keep it a little bit more protected, but it sits exactly where factory did on it. These just didn't have a lot of underclearance when they were manufactured. Like I said, I'm in the process of doing the adjustable upper and lower control arms. But she's getting there. Of course, I have the doors off for now. I've got the no door kit on it because it's summertime. But looks good. Start it up and we'll do a walk around, see if you can hear the sound. If you want to know where you can get the same exhaust, right here, mufflerexpress.com.